First of all, can I apologise to our customers who may continuing to see problems with their water supply. We're absolutely flat out at the moment. On a normal day, we're generally repairing about 75 leaks a day across Wales. Today, we're up at around 200. We've got about 1,500 colleagues working around the clock to keep supplies going. We're seeing an unprecedented number of leaks on our system as the temperature rises and the thaw sets in. That said, in many rural areas, we're still struggling to get around, so it is taking us a while to get things fixed. And again, I apologise for that. We are looking for customers to help us. If you could check in your home, if you have any outside taps that might be leaking, or if you're a business customer and you're able to check a property that's been empty over the last few days where you may have a leak, that would help us enormously. To put this in perspective, today we are putting out more water into supply due to leakage on the system than we would on a peak summer demand day. So we're doing all we can to fix our network. We're very sorry to customers if we're delaying response to you at the moment, but we're doing all we can to get things back to normal. If you could help us by looking for leaks and letting us know if you see any, we'd be very grateful as well. We're continuing with this level of resource over the next few days until we get the system back to normal. Thank you very much for helping us and for bearing with us.